Here we have the VSITOO S2 filtering water bottle. It is a water purifier bottle that has a straw that connects to a multi-stage carbon fiber filtration system inside the bottle. Using it removes impurities, sediment, and other contaminants from your drinking water. This makes it ideal for airports, international travel, or roadside refills. Wherever you use it, you can get clean, great-tasting water, as it reduces chlorine, unpleasant odors, and common tap water chemicals. Pulling it out of the box, we see that it is nicely packaged. It is a decent weight, with a sleek design, and a premium, modern matte finish. Overall, a solid, quality build. The finish is also slightly textured, making it anti-slip, and the overall size feels perfect for travel, and should easily fit into backpack pockets, car cup holders, or bike bottle holders. The cardboard ring around the bottle highlights its key features on one side, and provides detailed instructions on the back. The filter removes forever chemicals and chlorine. Its double-wall, vacuum-insulated body promises 24-hour cold retention. It has a low-pressure flip-top straw to optimize liquid intake. And each filter is good for 40 gallons of water, saving the waste of 300 single-use bottles. Now let's take a look at the bottle itself. It is a 750 milliliter bottle, and on the bottom, there is a QR code you can scan to get to the customer support website. Twisting off the lid, you can tell this bottle will be watertight and leak-proof. As you can see, the entire straw and filter assembly is connected to the lid. Each component can be separated to easily clean. The lid is well designed, with an easy-to-use flip-top straw. The straw can also be detached from the filter portion, and this bottom intake design ensures you draw water smoothly through the carbon fiber filter, instead of trapping air like some other filtered bottles. Finally, removing and replacing the cartridge is easy. You merely twist to unlock the bottom and remove the filter. Then, you just put the new cartridge back in, cover it with the cap, and twist to lock. A few things to note as we put the bottle back together. First, do not wash the filter. Just replace them. You can order 3-pack replacements from VSITOO. Second, only fill with cold or room temperature water. You should not use it with hot water, carbonated water, or other beverages. With that, let's go ahead and fill it up. As you can see, we are filling the bottle using tap water. The filter is really only made to filter potable water, like municipal taps in office fountains, airports, or hotels. It is not built to filtering untreated sources like outdoor streams, rivers, or lakes. The bottle is not dishwasher safe, and, as is with most filtering bottles, you have to sucker with a bit of force to get water through the filter. But, the water definitely tastes cleaner. All in all, we found the VSITOO 25-ounce filtering bottle combines a legit taste upgrade with real insulation. Perfect for folks refilling on the go. We did get this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.